Hello, I am Dr. Sreenivasa Murthy TM, an ENT consultant practicing at Malleshwaram. I practice at Columbia Asia Referral Hospital, Yeshwanthpur and Sreenivasa Specialty ENT Center in Malleshwaram. Dry cough is more frequent amongst adults rather than in children. Now, dry cough which keeps recurring needs to be investigated on a few fronts. The common causes of dry cough which keeps recurring are subclinical sinusitis, that is a sinusitis which is not very evident in the form of nose block, running nose, headache, heaviness in the head, but they present purely with dry cough mainly due to what is called as a post-nasal drip. That is, the secretions which are from the sinuses, they drip along the floor of the sinus into the throat and irritate the throat and hence cause a dry cough. And this gets accentuated or worsened when the patient lies down, because in that position the trickle becomes a little bit more than when they are in their upright position. The other causes of dry cough which can recur are very early forms of bronchial asthma or a wheeze. Now, somebody who has an allergy can have a bronchospasm every now and then they can have dry cough. This typically presents early in the morning or late in the evenings and is quite common in a city like Bangalore where allergies are quite common and is very prevalent. The other causes of dry cough can be what is called as tropical eosinophilia. Now, if somebody presents to us with more than 15 days or 3 weeks of cough, we do recommend that you get a blood test done mainly to rule out this particular entity called as tropical eosinophilia, which is again very common in a country like India, which is secondary to certain worm infestations. Now, the most common cause of dry cough that I encounter in my practice in the age group of say between 25 and 40 years of age is because of a condition called as acid reflux. Today's world, most people, they work in very stressed out environments. They work in unearthly hours, they get up very early in the morning, go to sleep very late in the night and have a very hectic life schedule. So they don't tend to eat food which is from home, they tend to eat outside food, they tend to eat junk food, they tend to eat whatever food is available to them at that point of time. Now, this along with a hectic life schedule as well as stress can precipitate what is called as gastroesophageal reflux disease in people. And when this happens, acid tends to come up into the throat, irritate the junction of the foot pipe and the windpipe, and then result in dry cough.